Hey, document daredevils, are your letters feeling a little basic? Do they need a little zip-zap zoom to spice things up? Well, grab your keyboard and hold on to your hats or arrows, because today we're diving into the thrilling world of how to put an arrow over a letter in Google Docs. That's right, we're turning your boring letters into vector superstars. First, open up Google Docs. If you don't have a document, just stare at a blank page and pretend you're an artist. Now, move your cursor to where you want that arrow-topped letter to live. Click Insert like you're inserting a dramatic pause into a conversation. After clicking Insert, you'll see a drop-down menu. It's like a treasure chest, but instead of gold, it's full of options you'll probably never use. Find Equation. It's hanging out between Special Characters and Tab. Click it like you're choosing the most exciting button on a spaceship. Beep boop. Now, type \vec into the equation box. No, it's not a secret code to unlock a hidden level of Google Docs, though that would be cool. It's short for vector, which is just a fancy way of saying, this letter has direction, unlike my Wi-Fi signal. Hit the spacebar and poof, an arrow appears. It's like magic, but with more typing. Next, type the letter you want to crown with that glorious arrow. It could be an X, a Y, or even a Q if you're feeling quirky. The arrow doesn't care. It's just happy to be included. Teamwork makes the dream work. Finally, press the forward arrow key to exit the equation box, or if you're feeling fancy, just click outside the box with your mouse. Congratulations! You've just given a letter a jetpack, a very pointy, directional jetpack. Your document is now officially cooler than a penguin wearing sunglasses. And that's it. You've mastered the art of putting an arrow over a letter in Google Docs. Go forth and impress your friends, your co-workers, or your goldfish. They might not understand vectors, but they'll respect the sheer pizzazz of your document. Until next time, keep those arrows flying and your letters extra spicy.